Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. Are you getting stuck while trying to uninstall Google Drive from your computer? No worries, here is the fix. In this tutorial, let me show you how to fix the issue, which is while try to uninstall Google Drive and you are getting the error which is Google Drive in use. You must quit the program before uninstalling. So let me show you how to fix it. For that, open Google Drive. Here, click on Settings. Then click on Quit. Now go to Control Panel again and try to uninstall Google Drive. Now you can see Google Drive uninstalled without any error. That's it. If this video helps, hit like and share and subscribe for more.